Alright guys, we're going to do a little bit of pond helping today. We're going to meet up with a couple of our buddies. I think you guys are going to really like them. They're pretty cool. Anyways, we'll see you out there. Take one.
Hey everybody out there in Millbrook country. We're out here at Mark Besancon's property here. We're going to do a little fishing out on the pond. Hey, give me a little weather report
It's
here.
about 61 degrees out. We got about a 16-mile-an-hour south-southwest wind going. Looking like it might be some good fishing out here today. Buck just broke his phone, so let's get going. Probably don't need a whole one. This is going to be good. Hold on.
This here? Don't.
Come on, Buck.
Is that a whole one?
No.
You got it. That's good.
That's good though.
We're testing your manhood, Buck.
Hey, that looks like a pretty good hook job to me.
Yeah? Is that all right?
Dude, you're catching a 8-pound catfish.
No!
Dude, if he catches a catfish, I'm gonna die.
I'm just going to cut the line and call it a day. Alright. Zance has even let me use his pole. That must mean I'm doing alright.
That one's not even mine.
Woo!
Oh, that's bad.
What are you
Edit.
Hey!
Now we have to take it off.
Buck's hooked up.
Now he's got to take
I
it
want
off.
to be a man.
He's hooked
I
up.
want to be a man.
Jeez, that thing is chunky too.
It's not a bluegill.
Yeah, it is.
Well, why is it a blue?
0 for 1.
All right, so,
bluegill.
all right, hold on. Look. So, buddy, how do I do this?
Oh no, you're gonna get
die.
spined.
What?
Watch
do I
the
need to
spine. The spine will get
Yeah,
you.
back here is where it gets sharp. So
Okay.
kind of hold
Everywhere else
There
is
you go.
pretty good, yeah.
Where
All right. And then go.
Hold it. Oh, there you go.
Hey.
You got it.
Hey!
Pro.
Oh Lord. Oh, there you
Run
go.
away.
Hey!
I
Hey!
need
First
to-
one, hey, right here, Buck.
Clearly,
Hey,
we're
there
the
you
best
go.
fisherman here. I mean,
Woo!
these guys need to step their game up.
All right,
over
Buck.
here.
All right.
I was kind of scared there.
Dude, between that one and that one we've caught, we should be frying these bluegill up.
Yeah.
That looked like it was gonna be big.
Throw a little dinkish. Not the yam dinger. All right, guys. We're headed to a new pond here.
Signing off.
Yeah.
Not much of a fisherman, but I did get one. I did get one. Millbros.
Alright guys, we just made it to this pond. It is pretty insane. That right there is a lake. Apparently it goes all the way back behind there. Biggest pond I've ever been to. Anyways, we're gonna get rigged up. Let's do it. There he is. Oh, oh yeah, that's a nice one.
You get help by?
Woo! Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Dude, on that square bill. Look at that sucker. On that square bill.
Oh yeah. I got a good one.
B's hooked up over there too.
Oh yeah.
Taylor's got one. Oh. Oh.
Oh, that's a good one.
Taylor's got a good one too.
Triple up, boys.
Heck yeah.
Triple.
We're getting her. We got dang
two out
surge.
there.
Hey.
Yeah, that's a good sized fish right there. That's the biggest
That's
one
not
today.
bad. Yeah. Alright, let's get this guy released.
Oh. Yep. Get my counterbait off.
Did you really?
What knot did you have on? Huh? What knot? It was broke at my stupid leader.
Oh.
Oh.
Woo!
Yeah, that was nuts, man.
That was
Like, you
sick.
got it, and then I got it, and he got it all within like 10
Yeah.
of each other.
This is a crankbait I caught that sucker on then. Goodness, tore it up too. It's a Lunkerhunt Not sure. It looks like the straight king cannon, but it's a flat-sided one. I have no idea what the heck the color is supposed to look like, but I thought it was different, so I'd try it out. Oh. Alright, well, I just climbed from that green whatever over there all the way over to here through this daggum hill. I don't know if it was worth it, but goodness, about slipped and fell about 80 times. Running a little bit low on battery right now, so hopefully we can stick a couple before it runs out. See what we can do. Oh yeah, good one. Oh, oh, it's a big one. Oh, 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 get up here, come on, baby. Oh, 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 oh yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh, that thing hammered it. Are you kidding me? Oh. Goodness, that thing is a chunk. Heck yeah, boys. Oh. I was just tossing it. Oh boy, this is gonna be a hard one to get out. Just tossing it against, bouncing it off these rocks. And this thing slammed it. Ow, just took myself. It's a nice one. Whoa. Oh, alright. Oh, about fell in. Oh my gosh, alright, here we go. Alright. I was just bumping it off the edge with this crankbait, and
these things are insane.
Slammed it. Yep, we're going to Dick's, and I'm buying like 18 of these things. Oh, oh, Manny! Oh! Manny had a massive one on again.
Goodness,
dude,
what?
Manny just missed one. We were both using the same
exact lure, just
same
different
lure
colors,
right here.
dude. Look at these.
Flat-sided squarebill.
I died.
Oh, not the money cast.
Oh my.
There he is. Oh, biggin, biggin. Oh!
How big is he, Clay?
I don't know. Nice one though.
Oh!
Nah, it's just a little 3-pounder.
Oh! Dude, he choked it!
I'm telling you, I told you that was a money cast, baby. Here we go.
Yeah. What's up?
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh! I legitimately about fell in. Alright.
There's one behind us.
Alright guys. That's about it for this video.
Poke myself in the eye here.
Hope you guys enjoyed. It was a pretty good day.
And even Buck got a fish today, so
Hey,
you know it was a good day.
He did get a fish. It was a good day.
Yep.
Good day.
Yeah, man.
Alright, thanks for
Coach
watching
G
this video.
out.
See you next time.